มื้อนี้สิไปไสเสียง
โอ้สิพากันไปเที่ยวในเมืองเชียงใหม่ไปดอยสุเทพแล้วก็สิออกไปเชียงของไปแม่สายไปเชียงรายBye. She said bye.คือผู้ได้นี่แหละเจ้านั่งคันแหละนั่งหน้านี่เจ้าก็นั่งนี่คนเดียวนี่ก็ได้สุดท้ายนั่งที่นั่งคัน
Look, they're arguing where to sit, and the van is not even full.
อยากนั่งไกลกันเดินลงถึงจักรยานแล้วมั้งGood morning.
Today we have the sister coming with us today. So the Sukhswat channel พากินพาเที่ยวมื้อนี้ Still in Chiangmai. Say hi Dido. Good morning. So we check out from the hotel and today we're still in Chiang Mai. So we're gonna go to one of the tourist spot. It's called Doi Suthep. So we're going to try to fit in as many things as we can today. Thing to do. We're waiting for the driver. Our driver had to use the restroom. So and we're going to be on the way. มื้อนี้สิไปไสเสียง
โอ้สิพากันไปเที่ยวในเมืองเชียงใหม่ไปดอยสุเทพแล้วก็สิออกไปเชียงของไปแม่สายไปเชียงราย Bye. She said bye.
Morning traffic in Chiang Mai. And you can see that there's a lot of tour bus and minivan. They are probably heading to the same destination as we are going today.
คนหนาวแล้วก็โมหอนมาตามนั่นเอง
ไปใส่ดีนี่
เที่ยวจะไปดอยสุเทพไปเที่ยวนำกันเด้อมาเป็นเอาได้ติดตามชมกันเด้อหาเที่ยวออกไปเชียงรายไปแม่สายไปไล่บ่อน
The weather here is still humid, and this morning it looks like they do have a lot of shower here, or either that or they have really thick fog here, and it's a lot of moist. This is the road going up. This is the road going up to Doi Suthep. It's a lot of hairpin turns, so you got every say what 50 to 100 yards or so, and then you have a turn like this. Look. Otherwise we couldn't get up there. And there's a lot of people actually riding the bike. They ride the bike up and then they ride it down. So stay tuned. See what's on top of the hill. Here is our destination, and it's not that many people yet. So because we a little bit early, so this will work out best for us. We are next to be on the lift up to the Doi Suthep. So I don't know how many people it fits, but I think it fits about 15 people in there. And this is our group here, so we have about 5. So one myself, and of course you know that this is our name for the Sukswa channel. So can't wait to show you what's up there. We made it to the top, to the Doi Suthep. So what you see behind me, this is the temple. As you can see, the architecture used here. This is really traditional. There's a lot of craftsman works going to. You can see that this is all hand carved. And I'll show you again later on. But as you can see, the weather here, it's pretty good. Nice and cool, not humid at all. And quite a bit of few people, but it's not as many as I expected. So let's see what's behind that temple. Okay? I would have to leave my shoes out here. So not just me, pretty much. You can see how many pair of shoes. Quite a bit of shoes here, so the shoe rack, but I need to have a shoe rack. Look at the stupa. Everything is gold color here. People are making laps around the stupa here. Ask for their merit, good karma.
如果你要跟第二个走的话，可是你们要的时候呢，不要
We have people from all over the place visiting this place. You can see here, this is like a donation for the temple. Check out the standing Buddha. This is carved out of a tree. It's pretty big one piece lumber. I don't know how well you can see, but it's pretty foggy this morning. And we are up in pretty high. You can see that the sloping hill down that way, and down that way should be, that's downtown Chiangmai. Lahir lah. So I got my flowers and candle for my offering, and I will make my offering and wish for the best wishes that I can possibly wish for. All the bad thing, all the negative thing be gone. So it could be luck, health, and wealth. So that's down there. That's where I'm gonna offer my offer, the flowers and candle. We are waiting for the lift to get down. On the way up, I can see that the angle, it's pretty steep, almost 45 to 50 degree angle. You know, it's a good thing that we came early. Right now, you can see there's a lot of people are showing up right now. There's a lot of minivans, and so is the songtail, the red pickup with the cab. So, look. So right now we're gonna go across the street, and then we're gonna pick up the tickets, and then we're gonna head out. So I'll see you at the bottom of the hill. So they are happy now. They are sorting out the pictures, taking up the top of the hill there. What do you got there, look?
Beautiful.
Nice. เป็นอะไรมื้อนี้ม่วนบ่มื้อนี้
มวนลายมื้อนี้เป็นวันครอบครัว
ดีใจหลายเดี๋ยวมาได้นะดีใจนางเอกประจำช่องนั่นเด้อ
คนก็อยากได้โอเคลายไม่เป็นไรได้กล่องงามลายคนถูกแบบมีบอลใบเต็มขยับเป็นไรน่ะ
Alright, this is our ride right here. So our ride's right here. Okay, go. Yeah. So we are here now. It's gonna go. Thank you for watching. See you next clip. The Elephant Camp. พบกันในคลิปหน้าสวนสร้าง Bye bye.